everyone, welcome to my channel World of Colors, and yes, happy Gudi Padwa to everyone. In this video we will paint the Gudi and we will discuss about what is Gudi Padwa and why it is celebrated. So let's get started. Gudi Padwa is the first day of Chaitra month that marks the beginning of New Year according to Hindu calendar. The word Padwa originates from Sanskrit, which means very next day after the moon. On this day, Lord Rama returned Ayodhya after destroying Ravana. Therefore, it symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Gudi Padwa is one festival that requires the preparation of sweet, that is, a mixture of neem leaves and jaggery. It is synonymous with bittersweet life, filled with happiness and sorrow. Every part of Gudi has its own symbolization. On top of Gudi, there is a copper vessel called Kalash that resembles Yashashri, which means winning. Silk sari, it signifies Vaibhav, which means luxury. Flowers, it is called Pushpahar, means happiness and well-being. Sugar, called Sakhar Kathi, which resembles Madhurya, means sweetness in life. Green leaf, it is called Limbpala, which resembles Arogya, which means health. Haldi Kumkum, it symbolizes good luck. Happy Gudi Padwa to everyone. Hope you liked this video. If you like my painting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thank you.